Just fresh from the graduation, I was armed with a certificate, hope, and ambition. I walked straight into the polished halls of a bank, air-conditioned offices, neat suits, targets on screens, and of course smiles on the surface. But behind those glass walls, pressure lived inside me. Deadlines breathed down my neck, numbers ruled my emotions, and of course time was truly not on my side. So every morning, the alarm clock became my master. Every evening, I was so exhausted, and exhaustion became my companion. Lunch breaks were rushed, dreams postponed, and I felt like my life was slowly becoming a routine, not a journey. Yes, the salary came, but so did the stress. Yes, the job had a status. Of course, in the community, when people hear you are working in a bank, you know what I mean, right?